seen that in videos. It's called smoking women getting fucked. Okay, now, here you go. She's got a mouth. That's what we like here. She's got one of those, and we like that too. Do you see these? Give me one. This is a hermetically sealed, man-like substance. Okay? It's probably longer than any of your men. But it needs to be because she's going to use this. I don't want to take it out of the hermetically sealed wrap, but you get an idea of what's going on here? I thought you may. Now, down here you have what I always liked. But in this case, I haven't really found a good substitute. So it's going to be a Tupperware container with 10 pretzels.
Yes.
With whipped cream all over them. Now, spread those like you were. Why'd you quit? Now, give me your hands and hold that. Now, you gotta hold that. Now, there's a lid on it because I don't want to lose her little huckleberries, if you will, because that's what this is called. I'll find your huckleberry. Oh, that's the lid. My mistake. I thought I was there. You know, you don't find that often, Bob. You really gotta dig sometimes. That was pretty close. All right, now, there's gonna be somebody here. When I say somebody, because this is where it could be a man, or it could be a woman. Because I'm okay with that. I'm not gonna have a lady with a strap on going on her like this. This is not gonna cut it for me. All right, so, man here, next year. Man here, anyone here. Okay? The objective is this. There's 10 in here, there's a catch cup here, and you can put it over here, or you can put it over here, or you can put it over here. I don't really care, but you gotta get 8 out of 10 of those in the catch cup. Not 2. Oh. This is a real player here, huh? I love it this way. Anyway, this person here's digging and going to get the 8. Okay? They must go in there, 8 of them. Once you get 8, this is competition amongst the 4. You gotta get the first 8 in. Hey! My God, I gotta get a condom. Now, this person here, this guy here, this one here that's doing here, hold this woman. Bring it over here. I gotta get wireless. You can put these anywhere you like. But anyway, the idea is, this is still sealed, so you don't have to worry about getting germs. I'm going to help you out here, but your hands are over here holding this, so I got full control. Okay? Now, understand.
John, move.
What she's doing here with this means absolutely nothing to the game. Look at it. There's no result. This doesn't ejaculate. I don't want her to bite it. Okay? It's just for me. And you.
Attaboy.
You don't break it. If you break it, you're done. My God, you broke his dick. He's out. I don't care how far they go down here. The real objective is to go for, oh, sorry. This stuff. But if you don't set this like the good woman you're supposed to be, you're not going to win if you get 8. Because this is for me and us. Okay? So I was going to get a pillow, but I thought the hand would be excellent. So you can do this any way with her, but I want you to be gentle. This is not deep throating. I don't want her to throw up. Alright? Let's make this a little more fun, but if a woman wants to go down here, hey, you know what? I'm not going to say no.